I've come outside into the air to briefly talk to you. In Europe, we spend a lot of time in enclosed spaces, on average almost 90% of our time. For this reason, it's crucial to have the right room air conditioning system, like in this modern office complex here, the Dockland in Hamburg. And this topic I will follow up on now. I'm here in the Institute for Energy Efficient Building and Indoor Climate at the Technical University of Aachen. Extensive work is carried out within these walls on the issues of energy efficiency and internal room air conditioning, and I'm now going to see the head of the Institute, Professor Müller. Hello, Professor Müller. Hello and welcome. Why is space air conditioning so complex? We strive to create a high level of comfort. People are very sensitive to their environments when it comes to slight temperature changes or even small air movements. And how do you make this practical? Or to put it differently, why do we need a large institute like this one? We conduct full-scale experiments in which we take a closer look at room airflows and the structural formation processes of room airflows. We also work on components and try to develop improvements using, for example, laser optical procedures. Would it not suffice to simulate the whole thing on the computer? It would be nice to achieve everything through simulation, but experience has taught us that the results of simulation and experiments are not always identical, and for this reason we do both. We conduct the experiment and simulation in parallel. How are your results then implemented? How do they get to the market? We work, for example, very extensively with TROX on sophisticated solutions. TROX incorporates our findings into its products and brings these to the market. Thank you, Professor Müller. My pleasure.